Hello YouTube, today I'm going to show you how to get an epic aimbot on Unit 1968 Vietnam. I've noticed that nobody has ever done a video on this, so I thought I'd help you boys out. So first you'll have to open the game, inject your paid Lego hack, and put the script in the description and
Level 7 paid executor.
Now that it has been loaded boys, just open the GUI and select the option you want and make adjustments if needed. Now that everything is set, it's time to test this baby out. You can see that this aimbot works smooth as hell, but I'd strongly recommend a semi-automatic weapon such as the one I am about to switch to for maximum accuracy and aimbot experience. Thanks for watching this video. I'll be using this for the rest, and if you don't subscribe you're instantly an SJW that believes in more than two genders. Goodbye.